पूर्व भारतीय क्रिकेटर और कोच लालचंद राजपूत ने विराट कोहली को भारतीय क्रिकेट के सबसे परिवर्तनकारी शख्सियतों में से एक बताया। राजपूत ने उन्हें सच्चा योद्धा कहा, जिसका टेस्ट क्रिकेट पर असर पीढ़ियों तक याद रखा जाएगा। राजपूत ने कोहली को भारतीय क्रिकेट की संस्कृति बदलने का श्रेय दिया, जिसमें उन्होंने फिटनेस मानकों पर जोर दिया था।
I think he brought a change in the Indian team as well of fitness. He said if you are fit enough, then only you will be picked in the team. Because if you are fit, your fielding standard improves, and we saw that our fielding standard was way up beyond of any international teams. And then secondly, we got fast bowlers. So the fast bowlers, if they are fit enough, they could really bowl long spells, and we could be as good as any of the international teams, say like for Australia, South Africa, or England. So he strived on those things and he loved that. He had that hunger to be the number one. That's why we always call it King Kohli.
कोहली के सबसे यादगार टेस्ट मैचों को याद करते हुए राजपूत ने 2014 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया दौरे का जिक्र किया। इस दौरे में कोहली ने भारी दबाव के बावजूद 4 शतक बनाए थे।
I think the Australian tour in 2014, once he came back from England, he never had a good tour, but he went there and got 400s, and I think on difficult conditions. I think that was the best. And then he went to England and again he got in 2018, I think. So if you look at his, conversion rate, if we were chasing, he was the guy who you could bank on. If he passed 30 or 40, you know that he's going to get a big score.
राजपूत ने 2014 के इंग्लैंड दौरे के बाद कोहली के साथ मिलकर काम किया था। उन्होंने उन बदलावों के बारे में बात की जो साथ मिलकर किए थे।
See, I had seen him from under 19 days, so I know I had a very good rapport with him. And then you have to understand the player's mindset as well. I think there was nothing wrong. It's just a few minor changes and the mindset, because when you don't get runs, then you feel always that there is one innings away from a big score, one innings away from a big score, and the whole tour went off. So he just came and we had worked on some minor changes. At that level, there is no technical fault, I would say, because it is just a mindset. And small changes here and there, I think that makes a lot of difference in their batting. And we just had minor changes of head falling over, that's it. And then, getting into the line.
कोहली ने 20 जून से इंग्लैंड में शुरू हो रही श्रृंखला से पहले सोमवार को टेस्ट क्रिकेट से संन्यास ले लिया। ये सीरीज 5 मैच की है। 36 साल के कोहली टेस्ट क्रिकेट में भारत के सबसे सफल टेस्ट कप्तान रहे।